really certain that the battery is bad, it's time to buy a new battery. So I'm going to do a walkthrough here of how I buy a battery for my customers or even for myself and the process that I use to do that. You guessed it, eBay. I love using eBay to buy specialized parts for laptops. It includes batteries, motherboards, screens, and that kind of thing. And here's the process I use to buy batteries on eBay. We're at the home screen of eBay here. The first thing you do is just type in the model number of the computer. This is a Compaq M2000 and then the word battery. We'll probably get a lot of listings for that. And then a little later I'll show you a different way, which might be better. It yielded 645 results. Now that's a lot. When I get that many results, I actually like to sort it by price, because that's too many to go through one by one. So we might as well try to get the cheapest ones first. And I like to order from this country. I'm in the US, so I like sellers that ship from the US. New Jersey is one state away from me, so that might be pretty good. Let's click on this and see how good it is. It's a good price, $35.90. The seller has tons of feedback and a 99.3 feedback rating. I love eBay because of the feedback rating. It's something you can't find at a lot of other places. Some people are afraid and get the wrong idea about eBay, but I actually like eBay because of the feedback rating. What some people aren't thinking with is not a lot of websites have feedback ratings, so you could basically, it's easier to get screwed somewhere else, I think, than to get screwed on eBay. The only way you can really get in trouble is if maybe somebody overtook Optimum Solution as a username here, his account or something, and stole his account and then was trying to scam, but it doesn't really happen often. I buy on eBay all the time. Now this is a battery for a couple of the models of the Compaq Rosario, and M2000's included in there, so we should be okay. Now this is a fine battery from a third party. This is not HP. So if you want to stay on the cheap side, you could get a battery like this. If you want to maybe spend a little bit more but get a higher quality battery, I would actually look for a Compaq battery and made by Compaq. The way I do that is I search for the word genuine in front of what I typed before on my search, and now we only get 6, but we now have HP batteries. Now here's a Compaq genuine battery, M2000. See, the problem with genuine is a lot of times you're not going to find new, especially on the older models. The third party will sell you a new battery. This might be a used, so let's see what's going on with this one. And this is a Compaq battery. And let's see if they tell us, okay, it's great cosmetic condition, excellent working condition. Okay, so this is a used. Now, if you really want to get picky, and there's not enough listings for us to do this, but say we got another 600 listings typing the word genuine. If you really want to get to the cream of the crop, type new genuine before your search terms and type that, and we're probably going to get nothing out of that. But let's just see. Okay, well, these are some from China. 4 results found for new genuine. Okay, this might actually be new. Is this the one we just looked at? Genuine Compaq battery. And let's see if it is new. Brand new, genuine HP battery. Let's see what the price is. $59, okay. So it's almost twice as much as the third-party no-name battery. But I would consider this. I would consider this. You want to get the brand name battery. Let's check out the seller. 3,600 feedbacks, 99.7% positive feedback rating in my country, and free shipping. It's not a bad deal. So there's your 2 options. If you want to go cheap, just look for the third-party batteries. If you want to get a more quality battery, try to get an HP or a Compaq brand name battery that matches your computer. Now, let's take a look at the battery itself that we pulled out of this computer, because there's another way to search for this battery, and that's by the model number of the battery. We search from the model number of the computer, but this battery is actually, I'm going to read the model number off now. It's HSTNN-DB17. Let's type and do a search for that and see what comes up. 135 results for that. And again, since there's that many results, let's sort by price. Okay, it's already sorted by price from last time. Here's a $35 battery. Okay, let's do genuine and see if any come up. 5 results for genuine. Decent prices for a genuine, but they look like they're used. And if we type new genuine, again, we're probably going to get almost nothing. There's new genuine. There's only 2. One's 52 and one's 78. So that's pretty much where you're going to be ending up. Usually, for almost any battery, you're going to find it. $30 will get you a third-party new one. And around between 60 and up to 90, you can get a new genuine one. It's all up to you. If you could swing the genuine one, I recommend the genuine one. If you need to just get by, then the third-party one is fine. And that's how I do battery shopping on eBay. This video actually turned out to be longer than I thought, but the last thing I want to talk about now is installing and removing batteries. You got your battery, you bought it on eBay or wherever you got it, got delivered, and now it's time to install it or take an old one out. Most laptops have a little slider on the bottom side of the case, usually with a little battery icon next to it. All you do is pull that lever, and the battery comes right out. This is how you remove a battery on an older Dell. This old Toshiba has a simple slider, as well as this Sony Vaio. Here's a few more with a simple slide switch. Compact Presario, HP DV6000. Now, some have a locking mechanism so the battery doesn't fall out. You're going to see an icon like that. And what you do is you unlock it first, then you hit the slider switch, pull it out, unlock, slide, and pull out. Here's another one. And another one with a locking mechanism. Not very complicated. Then to put it back in, just snaps right back in, no problems. And this one you kind of have to angle in. And there you have it for batteries.